Sugar production begins in fertile agricultural land, where sugarcane is grown as a major cash crop. Farmers first select suitable land with rich soil and good water availability. The field is prepared by deep plowing to loosen the soil. This helps roots grow freely and absorb nutrients. Large clods of soil are broken down to make the field smooth. Organic manure like cow dung is mixed into the soil. Chemical fertilizers such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are also added. These nutrients ensure strong and healthy sugarcane growth. After preparation, furrows, rows are made in the field. Sugarcane is not planted by seeds, but by cane cuttings called sets. These sets are placed carefully in rows. Each set contains buds that will sprout into new plants. Soil is lightly covered over the sets. Water is immediately supplied after planting. Moisture helps activate germination. Within a few weeks, small green shoots emerge from the soil. These shoots represent the beginning of a long growth cycle. The plants gradually grow taller and stronger. Sugarcane leaves become long and sharp like blades. The stem starts thickening as sugar accumulates inside. This growth continues for 10 to 14 months, depending on climate. Farmers regularly monitor the field for healthy growth. Weeds are removed manually or with chemicals. Weeds compete with sugarcane for nutrients. Fertilizers are applied at different growth stages. Irrigation is done through canals, tube wells, or rainwater. Water management is critical for high yield. Pests and insects can damage crops significantly. Therefore, pesticides and sprays are used carefully. Farmers often inspect crops daily during peak growth. Weather plays a major role in sugarcane quality. Too much rain or drought can reduce sugar content. As the crop matures, stems become thicker and juicier. Leaves turn darker green, indicating ripeness. Farmers check sugar levels before harvesting decisions. When fully matured, harvesting begins. Harvesting is labor-intensive and time-sensitive. Workers enter the field early in the morning. Sharp tools or machines are used for cutting cane. Cane is cut close to the ground for maximum juice. Leaves and tops are removed from the stalks. Clean stalks are collected into bundles. Harvested cane is heavy and bulky. It must be transported quickly to prevent sugar loss. Cane is loaded onto tractors or trucks. Manual labor or hydraulic loaders are used for loading. Each truck carries several tons of sugarcane. Weighing is done before and after loading. This ensures accurate payment to farmers. Trucks begin their journey to the sugar mill immediately. Time is critical because sugar content starts degrading after cutting. Roads may be rough, but transport must be fast. At the mill gate, trucks are recorded and verified. Weigh bridges measure the exact weight of incoming cane. Cane is then directed to unloading areas. Conveyor systems help move cane inside the factory. First step inside mill is washing the cane. High-pressure water removes soil and dirt. Clean cane moves to crushing machines. Crushers consist of heavy steel rollers. These rollers squeeze cane under extreme pressure. Juice flows out as sweet liquid called cane juice. Leftover fibrous material is called bagasse. Bagasse is used as fuel in boilers. This makes the process energy efficient. Cane juice contains impurities and natural waxes. Lime is added to neutralize impurities. The juice is then heated in clarifiers. Heating causes unwanted particles to settle down. Clear juice is separated through filtration. Next step is evaporation. Juice is boiled in large evaporators. Water content is removed as steam. Juice becomes thick syrup. This syrup is called molasses-based solution. Syrup is transferred to vacuum pans. Vacuum conditions help form sugar crystals. Tiny sugar crystals begin to appear. Crystals grow gradually into larger grains. This mixture is called massicwheat. Massicwheat is sent to centrifuge machines. Centrifuges spin at very high speed. Sugar crystals separate from molasses. White sugar is collected on one side. Molasses is collected separately. Sugar is still slightly moist at this stage. It is dried using hot air systems. Cooling is applied to stabilize sugar. Now refined sugar is fully ready. Automated machines pack sugar into bags. Packaging sizes vary from 1 kilogram to 50 kilograms. Each bag is labeled with brand and batch number. This ensures quality tracking and safety. Packed sugar is moved to storage warehouses. Warehouses are dry and temperature controlled. Moisture protection is extremely important. Sugar is stored on pallets above ground. This prevents contact with humidity. Later, sugar is loaded into transport trucks. Trucks distribute sugar to different cities. Distributors manage regional supply chains. Wholesale markets receive bulk sugar supply. Retail shops get smaller packaged units. Shopkeepers sell sugar based on weight demand. Sugar reaches supermarkets and grocery stores. Consumers purchase sugar for daily use. Sugar is used in tea, sweets, and baking. Every spoon of sugar represents long industrial effort. Farmers contribute the first step of this journey. Nature provides sunlight, soil, and water. Industry transforms raw juice into refined sugar. Machines ensure efficiency and large-scale production. Logistics connects factories to markets. Transportation ensures nationwide availability. Quality control maintains safety standards. Every stage is carefully monitored. Even small errors can affect final product quality. Sugar is not just food, it is an industry outcome. It connects agriculture, engineering, and commerce. The journey reflects human effort and technology together. From soil preparation to planting, patience is required. From growth to harvesting, hard work is essential. From milling to refining, science plays a key role. From packaging to transport, logistics is crucial. From shops to homes, distribution completes the cycle. Sugar production is continuous throughout the year. Mills operate during harvesting seasons at full capacity. Farmers depend on sugarcane income for livelihood. Many rural economies depend on sugar industry. Sugar mills also produce electricity from bagasse. Molasses is used in alcohol and industrial products. Nothing in sugarcane processing is wasted. Every byproduct has a use in another industry. This makes sugar industry highly efficient. Environmental management is also important in mills. Wastewater is treated before disposal. Modern mills use automated systems for control. Technology improves yield and quality every year. Research helps develop better sugarcane varieties. These varieties produce higher sugar content. Climate conditions still play a major role. Rainfall timing affects final production. Sunlight is essential for sugar formation in cane. Farmers and engineers work together indirectly. This creates a strong agricultural-industrial link. Sugar is a daily essential in human life, yet its journey is long and complex. Every step adds value to raw material. Final product reaches homes in pure, refined form. This is the complete journey from sugarcane field to sugar in your life. If you enjoyed our video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Matrixor, so you can keep getting more amazing and informative videos like this.